There are many causes of tsunami occurrence. Underwater earthquakes or volcanic eruptions or landslides or glacial calving or rock collapse or meteorite impacts. Underwater earthquakes. The most common cause of tsunamis is underwater earthquakes, especially those that occur at tectonic plate boundaries. When the seafloor shifts suddenly, it displaces a large volume of water, generating waves. Volcanic eruptions. Volcanic activity can also trigger tsunamis. Explosions, landslides, or the collapse of a volcanic island into the ocean can displace water and create waves. Landslides. Submarine landslides, where large amounts of sediment or rock slide into the ocean, can displace water and generate tsunamis. Terrestrial landslides into large bodies of water can also have a similar effect. Meteorite impacts. Although rare, the impact of a meteorite or asteroid in the ocean can create massive waves by displacing large amounts of water. Glacial calving. The breaking off of large chunks of ice from glaciers into the ocean can generate waves, especially if the glacier is substantial. Safety tips for tsunamis. Even in a tsunami hazard zone, you can still survive if you know what to do. First, if you're near the coast and you experience an earthquake, protect yourself from that first. Follow evacuation routes. If you live in a tsunami-prone area, familiarize yourself with local evacuation routes and procedures. Always follow official evacuation orders. Move to higher ground. If you are near the coast and feel an earthquake or notice a sudden change in sea level, move to higher ground immediately. But once the shaking stops, move to higher ground as quickly as possible. Step 2. Stay away from the beach. An early sign of an impending tsunami is that water along the coast will recede. It pulls back and exposes the seafloor. Do not go to the beach to investigate. You will only be putting yourself at risk for when the water surges back. Instead, head in the opposite direction. Try to get as far as 3.5 kilometers from the ocean or 30 meters above the sea level to ensure your safety. Step 3. Get to the higher elevation as possible. Tsunamis travel quickly, and you may not have enough time to clear the hazard zone. In this case, look for a tall building with a sturdy concrete foundation. If you see a nearby, run inside and get to the roof as quickly as possible. If you cannot make it to a building in time, the best thing is to grab onto something and hold on. Let me show you some heights of he waves on the beach. A standard wave on the beach approximate 2-meter height. Indonesia, tsunami 2018 earthquake of 7.5, the water reached 1 kilometer inland. It was about 6-meter maximum height. In 2022 Hunga Tonga tsunami, a major eruption of Hunga Tonga in the Pacific Ocean, the height was about 20-meter height. But in 2020, the largest wave surf recorded by Portugal was about 26-meter height. Tsunami Sumatra 2004. When the earthquake magnitude of 9.1, it's equal to energy of 23,000 atomic bombs, killing over 23,000 people in 14 countries. It was one of the deadliest natural disasters in recorded history. The height of waves was about 30 meters. Tsunami Japan 2011 earthquake with a magnitude of 9, the water reached 10 kilometers inland. It was the world's 4th largest earthquake since 1900 and the largest in Japan since modern instrumental recordings began 130 years ago. It killed about 20,000 people. It recorded height about 40.5 meters. Be sure that I will be happy if you make like and subscribe my page. Thank you for watching.